That's a bit of a shock because we thought it was going to be, there's hardly any water in it, let alone trout. Look at it, it's all overgrown. So we were going to come for a bit of a fish, but we'll move on and find somewhere else. There you go. Okay. Okay, we're going to have a go here, see if we can try this. Nice little spot. This is a nice little rudder boat. Cost me all of £8.99. I'll grab them. Right, let's have that. Alright. Quite cute, isn't it?
Very cute. Aww.
Yeah, on your bike. This is a nice little Mitchell reel, which is tiny. It's going to fit in there, I hope. Right, there we go. There we go. Hold on, here we go. That one. Oh, you do all three, are you? At the same... Can you see?
Yeah, I got your glasses in your pockets. Well.
Oh yeah, I have my glasses. So, right, I'm going to get down here. And I'm just going to, because I know full well, we've got to keep this on video, because if I go, it's going to be hilarious. Oh, that was slippy. But we've got a route there, haven't you? That's good. You come in. Did you fall? Did you fall?
No.
You did, didn't you? Oh, we're going to watch that for the tree. The helmet's up there, all right, yeah. Look at that underneath there.
Yeah, get it without hitting the tree.
Well, I don't want to do that first cast. I'm going to go down here first cast, yeah? See if we can work hitting that tree. That was almost close, wasn't it? Probably been fished a lot, this has, hasn't it? It looks like it's been fished a lot, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Nice, you like that, did you? We're right by the rapids as well. Probably below the rapids would be better, wouldn't it? But we couldn't get down there. Stop it. Just get me on camera. Sorry, guys. Somebody just jumped, did it?
Yeah,
oh, yeah, look. Okay, let's go again.
I think you've got the wrong tackle.
Well, you have to
float.
Nice little setup. Do you like my little setup, Andrew? Little float on it. Okay, so we've changed now for a, in America they call them boppers, we call them floats, and they call them night crawlers, we call them worms, but this is artificial. So we're just going to drop it in and let it float down. Oop, and we've got another tangle. 2 seconds around the reel, there we go. Let that go down. Oops. It's supposed to be quiet. They're definitely jumping, but I think it may be fly fishing, Andrew, more than bopper. They call them boppers, you know, in America. Yeah. And night crawlers. We call them worms and floats. It's just beautiful to be out here. Look at this. Look at this. Can you see where we are? Amazing.
Ooh. Someone's having a go.
Oop. Holding steady there, isn't it?
Leave it on. Careful, just like that there. In. Bye, Flo.
How come that snapped? This braid's not very good, is
Good
it?
shit, Dad.
How can I be a cock? It broke at the reel, not me.
Oh my god.
Hey, hold on, I'm on film. Sorry, I didn't do anything. It just snapped at the reel. I don't know why. We'll have to look. Maybe the braid's a bit.
Embarrassing.
It's not embarrassing. It's called fishing.
No, I wouldn't call it fishing.
Right. Should we move on?
I would.
Okay, we're going to try and find a waterfall. Andrew knows there's supposed to be good fish in there, so we'll try that first. Oh, it got a bit warm down there, and we lost all my tattle for the simple fact I don't know why it broke at the reel, not at the where I got trapped. I'll put my glasses away. So yeah, when we get there, I will fire up the camera again. So we're heading somewhere there. It's about 3.5 mile away. 2 miles till we turn right. Okay. Right. Okay, so we're going to go down here. If you can hear me, there's supposed to be a secret waterfall with a 40-foot deep plunge pool. If you can hear that. So we're going to go and have a look. After you. Off-road adventure. Bit hot, Oli. Jars your guts, doesn't it? Not dirty in my bike. I've just cleaned it. Oh, sorry, yeah. I was saying I'm not going to dirty my bike. Look at the... Yeah, you're going straight down? Is this here? We're stopping here. Okay, we just found this place. Nice young lady up there. Well, not young, but just showed us where to go. And we have permission to do trout fishing. Andrew's having a look round. Look at this. In the Blicker Bridge. Amazing. Down the corner, just down here, and around there, just seen a trout jump. Wow. Well, look what we found. But there's another one somewhere near with a 40-foot plunge pool, unless this is a slide to it. Look at that. On a hot day you could dip in here, couldn't you?
Yeah.
No, not here.
I think maybe we got there, Dad.
Up there?
Steep, and look after it looks like we're going.
Think so?
Yeah.
Okay, last leg. Andrew's gone the other way so we can find the really deep plunge pool. We found the one waterfall which you've seen. I'm making my way back to the bikes. I'll just show you another bridge we've got. Beautiful out here, so peaceful. There we go. That's it, making my way back. It's this way. So if you like the vid, I know we didn't catch anything, but we're just actually scoping for new places to fish. If you like the vid, it'd be great if you give it a thumbs up and you enjoyed the adventure like I have. I'm sweating now though. Take care. If you like it, thumbs up, subscribe would be absolutely fantastic. Take care, and we will catch you definitely in the next video. All the best. Woo!